Cardiothoracic structure and function. The heart, a muscular pump. The heart, a vital organ in the cardiothoracic system, is a complex muscle responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. It's divided into 4 chambers: the right atrium, which receives deoxygenated blood from the body, the right ventricle, which pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs, the left atrium, which receives oxygenated blood from the lungs, and the left ventricle, which pumps oxygenated blood to the body. The heart's electrical system controls its rhythm. It generates impulses that cause the heart to contract and pump blood efficiently. Any disruption in this electrical system can lead to irregular heartbeats or arrhythmias. Blood flow through the heart. Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava. It's pumped into the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery for oxygenation. Oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium from the lungs through the pulmonary veins. It's pumped into the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the body through the aorta. The thorax, protecting the heart and lungs. The thorax, or chest cavity, is a bony cage formed by the sternum, ribs, and thoracic vertebrae. It houses and protects vital organs, including the heart and lungs. The diaphragm, a muscular sheet, separates the thorax from the abdomen. The lungs gas exchange. The lungs are essential for respiration. They are divided into lobes. The right lung has 3 lobes, and the left lung has 2. The bronchi, the airways, branch into smaller and smaller tubes, ending in tiny air sacs called alveoli. Gas exchange. Oxygen from inhaled air diffuses into the blood through the thin walls of the alveoli. Carbon dioxide, a waste product, diffuses from the blood into the alveoli and is exhaled. The cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system comprises the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart. Veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Capillaries are tiny blood vessels that allow for the exchange of gases and nutrients between blood and tissues. Blood is composed of red blood cells, which carry oxygen, white blood cells, which fight infection, platelets that help in clotting, and plasma, the fluid component. Factors affecting cardiothoracic health. Various factors influence the health of the cardiothoracic system. Lifestyle aspects such as diet, exercise, smoking, and alcohol consumption play a significant role. Genetics, including family history of heart disease or lung conditions, is another crucial factor. Age also matters, as the risk of cardiovascular disease increases with age. Environmental factors like air pollution and exposure to hazardous substances can impact cardiothoracic health as well. Prevention and maintaining cardiothoracic health. Regular exercise is essential. A balanced diet helps in maintaining health. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol is crucial. Managing stress is also important. Regular checkups and screenings are necessary to keep track of your cardiothoracic health. Would you like to delve deeper into a specific aspect of the cardiothoracic system? For example, we can discuss heart diseases and conditions, lung diseases and conditions, cardiothoracic surgery, diagnostic procedures, or preventive measures.